Have skis become too expensive? From Nick. No, I don't think skis have become too expensive. And I know that's a ridiculous thing to say. And people are like, Kevin's on crack or Kevin's a shill for the dealers. No, it hasn't gotten too expensive because you idiots keep buying them. You keep buying them. Or you're not buying the cheap stuff. You're buying the big dogs. You're buying the big whiz bangs. And the big whiz bangs are expensive. And you're like, but I gotta have my sound system. I gotta be able to make a telephone call from my jet ski. And so they keep selling it to you. Instead, you go, you know what, dude? I just want a VXHO. A VXHO is a naturally aspirated VX. It's basically a GP 1800R HO, but it's got cruise control and it's just a little bit more comfy. And it's got less crap on it. Oh, okay. Look at that. And suddenly the mid-grade stuff springs up. Suddenly people are buying GTI Sea-Doos with a 170 horse. And they're buying STX 160s. And or they're 160s, 160X, 160LX. You're buying the mid-grade stuff. And all of a sudden the super expensive stuff isn't nearly as expensive or isn't nearly as in demand. And they go, well, maybe they do some market research and they talk to their dealers and go, hey, wait a minute. How come people aren't buying so many of these FXs or RXTXs or GTXs or Ultras? And they say, oh, well, we talked to our customers. The customer's like, it's too damn expensive and I don't need all that stuff. And they go, oh, well, maybe we should offer more levels of trim. Ding! But instead, we keep buying them. Instead, you keep buying them. And they go, well, shoot. We sell more FX SVHOs than we do VXHOs. So we're going to pump more of those out. And that's how it works. That's how it works. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.